Today, we're gonna make something special for the puppy, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Roy, and on this channel we talk about sublimation and lasers. If you've been here before, welcome back. We're really glad to have you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you will know when new videos are coming out. I'm really excited today because we have a very special guest star. She's got me wrapped around her finger. She's the apple of my eye. She completes me.
That's enough!
Without further ado, let's welcome my baby, Ella. I'm going to tell you why she's our special guest star. She's normally a lot more rowdy than this, but I think she's nervous because she's on the table right now. Anyway, she's our special guest star because her and I were walking the other day. She saw a puppy with a dog bandana on, and she doesn't have one. She got rather upset. I've been told she went into a corner, licked her butt, and then came back and licked me in the face. So we got to stop that from happening, and we got to make her happy again. So what we're going to do is we're going to make Ella a puppy bandana. Is that okay with you? You like that? Excellent. Let's do it. If you own or know of someone who owns a pet, there's a good probability they're a little bit crazy about that pet. And I know, at least for dogs and cats, cat people are crazy and dog people are crazy. I'm crazy about my little girl. I got to tell you that right now. So if you offer products for sale, then you definitely include dog bandanas. If you're at a craft show, have you a few made and offer personalization. If you have a storefront, I would make sure you put them in there because, again, people are a little wacky when it comes to their puppies. And if you get a great design, well, I'm telling you, you'll sell them. So let's talk a little bit about designs. I am going to hopefully add some designs to my website. Definitely check that out at industrialfringedesigns.com. They're not on there now, so don't go looking for them now. I do want to add some, but quite frankly, you could use a lot of other images as well. I am going to share my favorite designer and let you know that she has some really cool designs, one of which we're going to use today. Her name's Maya. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can get to her shop. This is the, well, it's backwards, but this is the design that we're going to use, Santa's elf. She is just, she's fantastic. I love her, I love her, I love her. If she lived in North Carolina or I lived in Indiana, we'd be friends or I'd be a stalker. I'm not sure which one, but it would be one of those two. Anyway, definitely check her out. Also, where do you get dog pet bandanas from? I'm going to tell you my go-to place is rtssublimation.blanks.com. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. And I do want to let you know, I don't get anything for promoting them. It is not an affiliate link. I think they are fantastic people and they offer a great product. We hear a lot of times about how you want to support your local small business. This is a small business and I highly recommend supporting them. They have a little bit of everything. So whenever I'm thinking about trying a new product, I go to them first and foremost. Their shipping is just about as fast as Amazon. It's really, really impressive. They are great to respond, and so I have nothing but great things to say about them. They did send these to me today to test out, so I appreciate that, but definitely go to them. I have gotten almost everything from them. I'm never disappointed. I haven't played with these yet, but I know they'll be great quality. I have a video about garden flags. I got those from Tamara at RTS Sublimation Blank. So here's what we've got. We have two bandanas. I don't know if they're the right size or not. That would be my bad if they're not. And a couple of collars. These collars are nice collars. They're real nice collars. Anyway, they sell both of those. The bandanas for small and medium are $2. And for the large and extra large are $2.50. So you can't beat that. And again, I got to tell you, dog lovers will love these. So let's go to the heat press and fire it up and see if we can press one. Okay. The bandanas come folded in their packaging, and so there's going to be a little bit of a crease. If that crease is in the center, it's great for centering your image. I don't need that, and plus in this particular fold, it wasn't quite in the center. So what I want to do is get that fold out of there. So we're just going to do a quick little pre-press and flatten this bandana out just a little bit, and that'll help a whole lot with being able to place it when it's a solid flat. There we go. So that's looking good. One thing I forgot to mention is you want to make sure you try to get any little pieces or parts off of this before you press it. So we've pre-pressed. Now I'm going to take my image, and what I did, you don't have to do this. I don't normally do it, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is the far left and the far right, the outside of this tape of my image, and this is the outside of the corner. So it's a good way if you're unsure about placing. It's a good way to help place the image on the design. What I'm going to do is pretty much do it visually, and I'll use a tape measure to measure that just under 3.5. So that's my center. Make sure I'm up high enough. I think I am. So that is where we're going to place the image. I have a little bit of tape here, partly because it's a solid white background and I'm using a dark color, and I don't want to ghost. I don't want it to ghost. So when you're doing an image on a white background and you've got black, often it happens in text. You have to be really careful when you lift this thing off and move it around because of the chance of ghosting. Let me pop this up. Be really careful about this. And a lot of people use the phrase ghosting incorrectly. A lot of times you'll see on the top or bottom or even a seam of a tumbler, you will see somebody talk about ghosting when in reality the paper just wasn't close enough against the substrate. Here is a great example of some ghosting. I did this sock and I lifted it too quickly, and you can see right there just a little bit of that black. That is technically what ghosting is. So we just want to be really careful because this has black on white. We want to be really careful. I usually give it about 15, 20, or 30 seconds before I lift it off, just to be careful. So let me pull this out a little bit from there, and I'm gonna lift that up. And sometimes this tape doesn't hold, so that's why I'm, oh my goodness, she is gonna be so happy. Whoa, what? Wow, so this just came out amazing. I'm kicking myself for not having done this before, and Ella's probably gonna kick me for not having done this before. Oh, I did want to point out, this is amazing. This costs $2, and it comes with this. These alone in the store are a lot more than that. So anyway, that's really, really, really cool that it comes with the collar. You know, before I put this on, I probably should measure it around her neck because I think she's a little bit bigger than that. But it's adjustable, so we can make it happen. I probably would have ordered a size larger had I thought about it, but that's fine. We're gonna make it work, and I will order some more. So a couple of notes on the press. I cut the paper so it was short, and by doing that, there's a little teeny line by the edge, and there's also a little spot where the tape was. Not a tape mark, not coloring, but just a little line where the tape was. So the way that I could have gotten around doing that, and I should have, was to have used the full piece of paper and not cut it down and let it lay over the bandana, and I didn't do that. It's fine though, it looks great, it's for her. Don't tell her. So we're gonna put this on her, and then we are gonna get some final thoughts, not only from me, but from Ella as well. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. You like it? Let's put it on. Oh yeah, don't bite it. Not food. Not food. Let's go. Let's go. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Look at that. So we're going to go outside and see if she likes it. I think she likes it. I think she likes the bandana. I don't know about you, but I think she likes it a lot. Don't forget rtssublimation.com, Maya for the designs, as well as industrialfringedesigns.com for my Tumbler designs. And if you don't have dog bandanas in your product line, well, you're probably missing out. You definitely need to look into it. And again, rtssublimation.com for all of those products. So, hey, Ella, were you happy? You like it? I think she likes it. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Okay. Oh. She's my favorite. I'm going to tell you why she's our special guest star, though. Who's that bad girl? Oh, you like your bandana? You like the bandana? Let's do it one more time. That was good. That will probably be the one. Can you fucking please and say that's enough? When I want you to be mad, you're not. You're laughing, you're squeaking doors, you're farting. All by myself anymore. A sample from a new generation, Slave to the Rave. What a sensation. Mental about this song. She don't give a damn, goes all night long.